Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love.
Okay then.
Hey guys, we are M
And K.
You have to go NK.
And K.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna pull a prank on Chris. And Juana's gonna be helping me, right Juana?
Yeah.
And my other helper, she's like over there. Fatima was in this too, by the way, babe. Fatima was in this too.
I'm not, I'm just helping. I don't want to get killed.
So guys, we're actually in the backyard. I'm filming the backyard today because Chris is actually in the house and she's actually talking to her mom, so she's spending some time with her. And I'm trying to see that she doesn't come, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and try to do this before she comes and catches us. I told her that I was gonna help Juana with her homework, so with an essay, so I hope she believes that. And we're gonna hurry up and do this really quick. And here we go.
We need a spoon. Spoon.
A spoon? Okay.
I'll just mix it with
I really don't know how to do slime, guys. I don't know how to do slime. Okay. Juana is a pro here, so I'm gonna give the camera to Juana and she's gonna help me doing this. You wanna put it over here in the light more? Or you're good?
I don't know.
We have to go more in the light. Come on, friend. Hi, friends.
Hello. Right here? Oh.
Yeah.
What happened? Where are you?
We're that way.
Where are you?
Okay, guys, we have to move the whole table because we can't see.
Right here?
And my suspect is leaving. My other suspect is leaving.
Right here's fine?
Babe, get mad at Fatima because she was in it too.
I had nothing to do with it. I told her since she gonna get mad and she was like, yeah.
Okay, bye, babe. Okay, more this way.
Me, friend, I swear on my papacho.
Uh-huh.
It's just that. See you guys.
Bye, friend.
The bracts and the wood.
I really think you should get a paper and a pen. Because we're going to put it in there. We're going to hide it. I'm telling her to get a paper and a pen because I want her to hide the glue. I really want to, like, I don't want to get caught, guys. I really do not want to get caught. So what are you writing on, supposedly? Your essay.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't know what I need to write it, like, I don't even care. Like, what do I need that for, first of all?
Okay.
I need a little bit more. I don't have a spoon, because you don't want to pick up the spoon from the floor.
No.
Okay. No.
So we're using borax and glue, right?
Okay.
You put borax in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure this is gonna work?
Yes.
Oh
You
my
shake
God.
until the water's clear. But we have to let it dissolve in. Okay. All of it?
Well, whatever fits in there. And you're gonna have to slowly put it in there, the water, or how do you do that?
You just put it in for a little bit.
Okay, there.
Sure?
For now, yeah. Because then we're not gonna be able to mix it, are we?
Yes, we are. Yes.
Does it fit more?
Yes.
Okay, put it in the thing, okay?
Right now?
No, 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 no. Okay, that's okay. Oh my god.
It fits the whole thing.
I told you, Mom. Okay, guys, I'm super nervous, honestly. Like, Chris is over there talking to her mom, but I'm scared that she's gonna come right now. So our window is just right there. our window and our door is just right there, so I'm keeping a lookout. Oh my god, Juana, how are you gonna mix that?
With my hands.
Oh hell no.
Look at that. I like getting this.
Look at that, guys. Okay, there, that's fine. That's fine. Juana, hurry up, let's do this. Hurry. Hi, Rosie. Hurry up.
Tita, this is good glue.
Oh my god. That would have been really funny if I would just pour the whole glue on top of her.
That would have been easier. Okay, we keep shaking this up. Should I put more wax in?
I don't know.
To take less time?
What do you mean?
Okay. I'm gonna put in more so we won't take forever here.
What do you mean?
Yeah. Hi. Okay there. Like making like that milk that made. Oh, I touched it. It's okay.
What are you doing?
Uh-oh, so it'll come out easier. Because it might take forever. Okay.
Okay guys, so look at what she's doing. Like seriously? She's trying to be a pro here.
It's because then I don't want to touch it. I don't touch it anyway, but like. Okay.
Are you gonna touch it anyway?
Yeah. See, like, you're gonna have to help me, okay?
How am I gonna help you?
Just put a little when I tell you, okay? Not right now, not right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, I do not know how to do this, honestly.
You put a little?
Like how?
A little. More? More. Okay. She's starting clumping up.
Patito,
More. More?
let me know if
Tita.
she's there. Let me know if she's there, sitting still on the table. Check if she's still sitting there. So pasas para allá, and then you come back.
More.
What's she doing? Okay, what did she see? Did she see you?
And if she did, she got the I don't know because I talked to her and went back. I talked to her and then he went back.
It's turning into slime, look. More.
Oh my god, this is so bad, guys. This is like really, really, really bad.
Can you? So I can take less time.
Okay.
Ready?
So what are you gonna do if you have slime in your hand? If she's like there?
With these. One more.
Yes, keep a lookout.
Did I drop it?
Yes, oh
It's
my
okay.
god.
We'll clean that up. Put more. A lot more. And then, okay, there. You don't want to overactivate because then it's going to turn into slime.
What is it gonna turn on?
Putty.
Isn't that better when it's putty?
No. Then you're not going to be able to throw it out and it's not going to come out of the bowl. Look, it's turning into slime. More.
Oh my god.
Tita, you're not going to die.
Ew.
Tita, it's just glue. Okay, put the whole thing in.
Okay, I don't know if this is working, but this is such like, it's so weird.
It's working, look.
It's not gonna get stuck in her hair, right? Or it is. You'd be lying. Look, it's getting stuck in your hands.
If it does,
Oh
it's not
my
fault.
god. Can you put more water on this, baby? Water. No, from the thingy, from the sink.
Look, it's turning into slime, Tita.
Come on, focus, camera.
Hot.
Huh?
To the board so it sounds faster. Low, Tita.
I don't know about this stuff. I really don't know about slime, guys, so Oh my god.
Look, it's turning into slime.
Oh my god.
Okay, I feel like my hair. Go get a spoon. Slime is heavy.
Oh my god, look at all this. Oh my goodness. Oh, ew. 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 Ew, that's nasty. Okay, guys. So Chris almost caught us.
We ran.
Juana was in the backyard, like literally hiding in a bush, by a bush, right here.
I sat next to a spider.
And she was finishing making the slime. And Chris was gonna she was gonna catch us. We were literally gonna get caught right now. But like, so we had to stop the video. And she was just finishing. So I left her on the sofa. She was just chilling there, like watching videos. But I'm telling Juana that she's gonna help me. No, the papers and stuff, I'm gonna tell her, oh come, like, can you help me with something, like, you know? It's okay. No, leave it there. No, we're gonna clean that up. Okay guys, so we're gonna see how this works. She's gonna get so freaking mad. Okay guys, we'll see you in a bit. Here, I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay. Say that I'm finished with my stuff and this person in the paper and you're showing him how to divide or something. And you're like, I don't know how to do this, like radios or something.
So Chris is gonna come out and Juana's gonna come behind her and she's gonna slime her. So let's just hope this works, guys. Wish us luck. Let's call her. Sit down, Betito. We're doing homework, supposedly. Hasta poquito para acá. Go a little bit to the right, yeah. Okay, there we go. Let me just put the camera there. Okay, she won't see the camera there. It's okay. That's okay. There you go. Babe! Babe, can you help me?
What are you guys doing?
Hmm?
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Oh my god, what the hell are you doing, Juana?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What is this?
Oh my god!
What the hell?
Oh no! No worries.
Wait, no!
Okay, wait, no,
Oh my god, what the hell is that?
it's slime, baby.
Slime?
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Yeah, you don't look green.
Oh my god! Her sandals!
Oh hell no, guys. Save the sandal, guys. Oh my god, why would you guys do this?
Good night.
Did I have some on my hair?
No, baby. No, babe. We didn't get it on your hair.
Oh my god.
Oh, but it comes off. Yay, you!
Stuck on me because my
Oh,
thing is
no,
hard.
no.
That's
No,
right.
not me.
Oh, that thing feels like all nasty.
It feels like wax.
How do I get this off me? It's like on my armpit.
Oh my god. Help her get it off.
Huh? How do I get this off for real?
I don't know.
Like that.
Is this what you went to Walmart for?
Yes, baby. I had to slime you, baby.
This is not Nickelodeon here.
I don't wanna.
I'm trying to take this big little chunk off my. Look at this.
Look at that, guys.
Hey, I said the thing, not my fatness from my arm.
Hold it.
Oh my god. Look, I have it on my foot.
Oh my god.
There's it everywhere.
Where's, is my sandal okay?
Yes, your sandal is like there.
Those are from all those. What you mean?
That's your all those sandals?
Yes.
Babe, why would? Oh my god.
Well, what the hell? I was supposed to know you guys were gonna be doing this shit. Crap. Oh my god, Juana, I have some still on my armpit.
Take it off from armpit.
Look at this.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wow, that feels nasty.
Go like
Let
this.
me
Why
see.
you
Go.
with your
Lift it up. Oh my god, look at that, guys.
Your feet are dirty. Juana, you're gonna want the slime? No.
Let me see, baby.
If I would have known, I wouldn't have shaved my armpits yesterday.
Oh my god.
Oh, hell no.
Damn, this is so sticky.
Is that where you're like going and go help Juana?
Yeah.
This or something else. Here. Why are you stepping on
I'm
it?
not. I stepped on it right.
Oh shoot.
Oh damn.
This
look.
is so sticky.
My arm is like.
Oh my god. You need to take out the shirt.
I'm not gonna go take it off in the room.
You want me to bring your shirt?
Well, I have to get clean. Look at this. It's all
Hey, don't
sticky.
worry, I'll get the hose.
Oh god.
I will.
This is so sticky, guys.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Are you mad?
Are you mad? Are you mad, bro? You must be mad.
Are you mad, bro?
Are you mad, bro?
You must be
the heck?
mad. We should have seen Pancho instead. Yeah, we should.
I hope this is gonna come off from my shirt.
It's not. It's not. With hot water, if you put it in boiling hot
Maybe
water.
hot water, yeah.
Look at this.
Because it's
babe.
borax.
Keyword, maybe.
What if I would have been wearing like a nice shirt?
Sorry, baby.
I got it on my feet. Where's she coming out? The dragon coming out of the cave.
Okay. Sorry, guys. We'll continue this in a bit. We have to clean this up. Are you mad?
A little.
Why? I'm sorry.
Because I hate feeling that way. I don't like that sticky feeling.
I'm sorry, baby.
Because then my sandals got ruined. I'm gonna dip it in hot water right now.
No, babe. Water, like, it made it worse than the piso. Like, you know, the other side, estaba like, estaba el deste, estaba the slime, whatever, and it was better like that. We were able to take it off. It just got worse with the water. I told Juana that we would let it dry and then tomorrow lo hacemos. Cause right now it's like super wet.
I guess.
Don't get mad. I love you. Baby. Say it like you mean it, rude.
I love you too. I don't appreciate you sliding me. That thing was so sticky and nasty. Can we wash that soon?
Huh? I don't know. I don't think so.
Damn, babe.
What?
Really that comfortable shirt that I was wearing, and those were my favorite shorts.
I'm sorry, baby. You can get some more shorts like that. Weren't they the bodega ones?
No, I've been having those for a long time already.
You wouldn't even really wear them.
Well, it wasn't really hot.
Sorry.
Oh, wow.
You have other pink ones.
Huh?
You have other pink ones. I love you.
Why would you do that? Why couldn't you think of anything else?
No. I know it was gonna be messy and you weren't gonna like it. I know it was gonna be messy and you weren't gonna like it.
No. That thing was like super gooey, like.
I know, right?
Yeah, it was nasty.
That was really nasty. You want me to try to take it off from your shirt?
No, it has a lot of it. I'm gonna throw it away. Hopefully I find another. I'm glad. I'm low-key glad it was that shirt and not that one Puerto Vallarta one. I would have been really pissed.
I know you would have. I'm glad you weren't wearing that shirt. I think I would have.
stayed mad at you for like days.
Really?
I would have been pissed for sure.
Yeah. I think I would have told you, babe, can you change your shirt? Like, we're gonna go out or something. Like, I don't want you wearing that shirt or something.
Yeah. I still have some like on my hands, I think.
¿No se te quitó?
I'm trying to take it off. And my armpit, it was like super stuck.
Oh my god. I am so
Like,
sorry.
dang. Huh?
I am so sorry, honey.
Like, that's one way too much.
Okay, guys. Well, I think this was a success, right, baby?
No.
This was a success prank. Even though she doesn't want to admit it, but Juana pranked her really good. Juana helped me prank her. And she actually did the slime. So thank you, Juana. And okay, guys. Baby, do you want to say anything?
Hey guys,
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. We're gonna talk about the giveaway on the other video. I'm gonna get you back quick. So don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss on our videos. We're gonna start doing I always forget how to say this one. Post notification shout outs. So comment down below, guys. Bye.
Life, anywhere, anyway, I will love you.